Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 15th, 2023. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. This one has 4 stars, this one has a 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. The first one that I solve is a 2 stars Sudoku instead of the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, this one has 28 printed digits. So I've told you, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. So let me start with this one, the 2 stars Sudoku number 6926. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Told you 26 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. For 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 7? 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7. And now I cannot continue with the 7, I need to wait. How about the number 2. Well. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4. Okay. Need a 2 here. 2. Need a 4 here. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so no row below. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see how 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see how 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay, 7. Still cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4 in this row. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. But I can continue with the 7. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. And 7 in that row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Okay, 2, 2. 2, 2. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 4, 1, 5, 5. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 8 and 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the second column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 2, 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 3 should be there. 1 box left in this first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 2 and 9. Let me see. 2, 9 and 2, 9 and 8. Need an 8 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and 5. 9 and 5. 9 and 3. Let me think. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. But the 9 here. 2 here. Well, I'm stuck, I believe. I'm stuck. Well, we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3, 9, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 3 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. So we have 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the column next, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 3. Okay, how about the 9? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see digital 4 number 8. Alright, 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay, 2 and 5. Well, 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 and a 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. I thought maybe I need 15 to 20 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so well, please wait the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.